Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. Today, find out how the price of Litecoin has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, stochastic RSI and MACD show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Taking a look at the hourly time frame for Litecoin, it can be seen that the price went down with around 2.9% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 56.3. And the move wasn't very strong as the volume wasn't very high. Jumping to the hourly simple moving averages, the current price is between the 200 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 200 SMA, which is currently at 55.7, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 57.3 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Pointedly, the current price is above the 200 SMA, which is perceived as a strong support. Nevertheless, if there were to be a decisive downward dip, it will signal a possible big move down. Jumping to the hourly stochastic RSI, we can see that the crypto is being oversold because the %K and %D lines are in the lower region. A change in the trend can be expected, or for the crypto to remain at least stable for some time. The trend has shifted upwards because the K line is currently located above the D line. Moving to the hourly MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. However, the MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently shifting to the upside, and it could be expected that the price will consolidate for some time, and you should wait to see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish. Jumping to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price broke the 50 SMA to the downside, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. At the moment, the price is between the 100 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 100 SMA, which is currently at 53.6, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 57.1 could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. Looking at the 3-hourly stochastic RSI, there are no signs of the stochastic RSI being oversold or overbought at this time, but we can see that the trend is currently going down because the K line is below the D line. Moving to the 3-hourly MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. We can expect for the price to continue going down, or perhaps remain at least stable, because the MACD histogram shows the momentum currently being strong. Moving to the daily simple moving averages, the current price is between the 50 and the 100 SMA. If the price bounces off the 50 SMA, which is currently at 54.0, it could be seen as a support, and the 100 SMA that is at 70.5 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Moving to the daily stochastic RSI, both the %K and %D lines are in the higher region, which means that the price is getting overbought, and soon a trend change, or at least some kind of consolidation, could be expected. The K line is below the D line, which shows that the trend has shifted to the downside. Moving to the daily MACD, seeing as the MACD line is above the signal line, meaning that the trend is currently on the up. But according to the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is going down. Owing to this, we can expect the price to remain stable, and you should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be a downward trend. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching, and know that every few hours new videos are uploaded analyzing different cryptocurrencies, so be sure to hit subscribe and not miss out. If you have any questions, leave a comment below and we'll get back to you ASAP. Also, keep in mind that you should make your own investment decisions, as cryptocurrency trading is very risky, and these daily videos are only an overview of trends and are a purely technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. See you next time.